Hey, what's up, everyone? I know it's been a while. Been busy. I have built a couple quads, but they're just kind of run of the mill. Um, I will be posting a video of the Raging Droner from Catalyst Machine Works here soon. And the reason for this video is because I got a package that I'm pretty excited about. Um, if you haven't figured out, I know there's thousands and thousands of different quad frames out there, and a lot of them steal from each other, design wise and stuff. And it's I can see that it's really hard to come up with something new. That's part of the reason why I like Mocha frames so much, because he tends to think outside the box, and he makes a really good quality product. But I found a company, and some of you may know of them, called Flynoceros. Company down in New Braunfels, Texas. And they're on YouTube if you want to look them up. But so I got a package today from them, and one of these frames is a prototype. So I'm really, really excited about that. So again, like I said, it's from Flynoceros up here, and they got their little flying rhinoceros logo. So I cut this open, but I haven't actually opened it, so we're gonna do that on video. So there we go. Yay, paper. Not. Alright, which one do I want to start with? Let's start with the blue one, because this is one that's available. This is the Skull V2. And this is, I actually bought the 5-inch version, but they were out of the arms. And then they came out with the new 5mm 6-inch arms. And this is something I love. Any company that's willing to take a minute and get a hold of me and ask me what I want to do in a situation, I really like. They got a hold of me and they said, well, we're out of the 5-inch arms. We should have them in a few days. Since you bought the 6-inch arms, you want to we'll send you what we have. And then when we get the 5-inch, we'll send them to you. And of course, yeah, that's great. So I will try to insert a photo of what the Skull V2 looks like. They incorporate not a lot, but some 3D printed parts, and a lot like Mocha, I like the packaging. I don't need no fancy box or anything like that. So that's the Skull V2. This one is the prototype, and this is called the Why Not. It's loosely based off the Skull on some parts. As they put it on their website, it's loosely based. Kind of uses the same side pieces and some of the same 3D printed stuff and stuff like that. But this is a multi-configuration quad. Guess what the Y stands for? It can be configured as a Y4. It can also be configured as a V-tail. And you could even go so far as putting 2 motors on each side on the front arm and 2 on each side at the back. So you could go 2, 4, 6, an 8 motor. What is that? An octaquad or something like that? No way I'm going to try that. But I was very interested in the V-tail idea, and so that's the plan for this. So I'll have 2 regular props on front, the motors on top like they need to be normally, and then in a V pattern at the back with a motor on each side. I was talking to my buddy JJ. I showed him the picture, and he was saying to mount them on the inside of the V. The problem is the brace that goes across there, I'm pretty sure, and I won't know positively until I get this built up, but I don't think there's room to put them on the inside and still be able to get your props in there. So I think they're going to have to go on the outside. Because I don't want to try to mess with different size propellers or motors or anything like that. And I don't think it would fly very well if I did. So, but that's them. Give these guys a look up. I will post, well, the flynoshop.com is their website. Again, Flynoceros, you can find them on YouTube. I also have one other prototype frame that I got a hold of today that will be here towards the end of the week, which is really cool. Talk about thinking outside the box. It is a rat quad. If you know what a rat rod is, they have made a quad that looks like a rat rod, and I have to have it. It's very, very cool. So yeah, I'm gonna do a build video on all of these, all three of them. Just kind of a build video and review. I'm gonna try to keep the length down. I mean, anything that's odd about building either of these, which the why not is definitely going to be weird. You know, that's going to be a longer build video than the skull. But anyway, so that's what's coming up, and hopefully we'll see you soon. I do have to take a few days off. For those of you that don't know, I am a truck driver, but I got to go home for a few days next week, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to get anything done between now and then. I think probably I'm going to start with the Skull V2, mainly because it will give me an idea more of how this one goes together. The Rat Rod is going to be the last build because I have a couple ideas for it, and so I'm going to have to get everything together to be able to do that, and that may take a couple weeks. But so I hope to see you soon, and I can't wait to get these built. So take care, be safe, see you on the next one.